LHSZ series high-shear mixer adopt PLC control. It's mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic integrated equipment. It's essential for solid dosage processes and suitable for mixing, granulation, and milling in pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. High-shear mixer is combined with wet mill. It optimizes production processes, reduces labor works, and controls cross-contamination. It complies entirely with GMP requirements. It's designed with self-vent vacuum charging function, which can be divided into interval and continuous craft. Through the filter on the lid, the facility vacuum source sucks out the air inside of the material bowl to form inside vacuum condition and achieve the vacuum charging. Upon charging finishing, the vacuum valve closes. The exhaust valve opens. The running of the tangent-type impeller generates rotary, tangential movement, and fluidization. Materials were moved from the center to the edge of the bowl. When materials touch the bowl, it forces them to change direction. They will go up along the bowl shape and realize fluidization. When materials arrive at the conical part, it forces the materials to change direction. Materials drop back into the center and are used in the next fluidization process. Materials reach a perfect fluidization in the bowl and get a uniform blending. When the mixing is finished, the spray system starts automatically. The binder in the pressure tank will be transferred into the spray gun under the pressure of a clean compressed air. Then the bottom is atomized and sprayed into the bowl. As a result, the binder and materials efficiently agglomerate into granules. Upon finishing of the granulation process, the discharging door opens. The impeller runs at low speed. Materials is pushed into the wet mill chamber. Under actions of the impeller combined with the sieve meshwork, wet granules are uniformly milled.